Hello, welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime, and I'm your host as always, Professor Prime. Let's talk about math and Dragon Ball, and let's talk about gauging power. So, power levels are an interesting part of Dragon Ball, and eventually they kind of fade away in terms of like being direct numbers that we can use to relate characters to each other. But that idea of gauging power never really goes away because you have these characters that can sense ki and they can sense how strong a character is, and they have to like deduce whether this character is holding back or not, and things like that. Um, I would argue that even though like sometimes it makes sense to gauge their power and decide how hard you're gonna go, there are some opponents where they're clearly a threat, and some of those fighters need to do better. Goku looking at you. But my whole thing is just like there's a lot of math that goes on with that gauging power and seeing how you should adjust your strength versus your opponent, and I think that's interesting. And like pretty much all the characters at a certain point do that.